Check your bathroom. Most people buy soap based on the smell, but the elite check the TFM, total fatty matter. If your soap is grade 3, with a TFM between 60 and 70%, you're using a detergent often reserved for industrial floors or livestock. For human skin, grade 1 76% or higher is the only standard that matters. And while we're on the subject of survival, consider the bamboo plant. In ancient history, it was a biological weapon. Because certain species grow 100 centimeters in a single day, it doesn't just grow around obstacles, it grows through them. Let's settle the Pluto debate. In 2006, the IAU established a standard. To be a planet, you must clear your orbital neighborhood. Pluto lives in the Kuiper Belt, a junkyard of icy debris. It failed the test. It's a dwarf planet, and that's a scientific fact. Everyone remembers Felix Baumgartner's jump, but the elite record seeker is Alan Eustace. In 2014, he jumped from 41 kilometers high, breaking the world record while falling at speeds that would leave a supersonic jet in the dust. Look at your screen. You see two different shades of red, right? You're wrong. They are mathematically identical. Your brain is a context machine. It changes your perception based on the colors surrounding the object. Trust the data. Leopards are masters of the vertical, dragging 100-pound kills up trees. Jaguars have a crushing bite force, the strongest of any cat. Cheetahs? They aren't even in the great cat genus. They don't roar, they chirp. They're specialized biological machines built for speed. In Oyamakan, Russia, at minus 50 degrees Celsius, your eyelashes freeze instantly, and car engines must run 24/7. There are no plants here. Survival is fueled purely by animal protein. But the ultimate display of management is the diamond crossing in India. Tracks from the north, south, east, and west intersect. It is a high-stakes game of logistical chess where thousands of lives depend on precision timing every single day. Which of these facts shattered your perspective? Comment below and subscribe to join the elite. See you in the next one.